Let's talk about square. Square is a shape, and square has four equal sides. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square has four sides, and they are equal. That means they are the exact same length. Each side is the exact same length, okay? Square also has four right angles, and that's going to be these corners right here that are straight and tall. These are called right angles. Do you see how each of the corners is straight and tall? Those are four right angles to help us make our square. Now let's look and match some squares. A square could be big. This big square still has four equal sides and four right angles. A square could be medium. Still, all the sides are the same length for this square. Or we could have a little square. The most important thing to remember is a square has four equal sides. So if it's big, all the sides are big. If it's little, all the sides are little to make a square. Now let's trace our square. Ready? We're going to do four straight lines just like this. Over, down. We're going to try to keep it as straight as we can to make a square. Square. Four equal sides to build a square. All right, let's match some squares. We're going to put the squares right here, and these are circles. So we'll put circles over here. Is this a square? Yes, that's a square. What about this one? No, that's a circle. Is this a square? No. Is this a square? Yes, this is a square. Is this a square? Yes, that's a square. What about this shape right here? Is this a square? No, this is a circle. This shape is a square. Right here, we have another circle. That's not a square, but this little guy is a square. Yes, that's a square. Is this a square? No. This one right here? No, that's a circle. What about this big guy? Is this a square? Yes, that's a square. Is this a square? No, that's another circle. All right, our last shape is a square. Yes, this is a square. Now let's look at things that we might see that are squares. Right here, we have a window. We might see square windows. This is a letter block. We play with these in class sometimes. It is a square. A board to play checkers is one big square, and it has lots of little squares too. A piece of bread could be a square. The blocks we use for hopscotch could be squares. These are squares. And sometimes our crackers are squares. Can you think of other things or look around and see squares? Squares are everywhere. Okay, so your job now is to look around your house, look around outside, and see what things you can find that are square. Don't forget, to be a square, it needs to have four equal sides, four sides that are the same length, and four corners sitting up straight and tall in right angles, okay? Have fun hunting for squares.